Welcome to the Professional Development Series on the Cisco Certification Training Program. This program masters the complete network engineering pathway from CCNA to CCNP and CCIE, featuring the IBM Skills Network curriculum. Why pursue Cisco certifications? They are a global industry standard, validating your skills across critical domains like enterprise routing and switching, network security, and automation. Certified professionals enjoy higher employability and are prepared for in-demand roles, making you job-ready for enterprise networks. Here is the complete Cisco certification pathway. Start with CCNA Foundation by passing exam 200 to 301. This phase takes about 2 to 4 months and covers network fundamentals and security basics. The Networking and Storage Fundamentals course provides the foundation for network engineering. It covers core networking concepts, protocols, configurations, and storage fundamentals. Key practical labs include port scanning and diagramming a secure home network using draw.io. The CCNA core curriculum includes network fundamentals, access, IP connectivity, IP services, security, and automation. Hands-on labs focus on SOHO network setup, switching and routing configuration, troubleshooting, traffic analysis, and device hardening. You will master tools like Packet Tracer, Wireshark, Draw.io, and GNS3. CCNA professionals in India can expect starting salaries of 3 to 7 LPA. Globally, the average is higher. Target job roles include Network Support Engineer, NOC Analyst, and Junior System Admin. For faster placement and higher pay, combine CCNA with Linux administration and Wireshark analysis skills. The CCNP Enterprise Exam pathway requires passing 1 core exam, N-Core, and 1 specialization. Concentration options include Advanced Routing and Services, SD-WAN solutions, designing enterprise networks, enterprise wireless networks, or automating Cisco enterprise solutions. Preparation time is 4 to 8 months. The CCNP Enterprise Core Exam, N-Core 350 to 401, covers network core technologies and qualifies you for the CCIE written exam. The 5 concentration options allow you to specialize in areas like advanced routing, SD-WAN, design, wireless, or automation. Advanced skills and labs include deep dives into protocols like OSPF and BGP, SD-WAN management, wireless security, and network automation with Python scripting. Next, the CCNP Security Exam pathway also requires a core exam, SCOR 350 to 701, and 1 concentration. Concentration options focus on firepower, identity services engine, email security, web security, secure VPNs, or automating security solutions. Preparation generally takes between 4 to 8 months. Key skills covered include network security, secure access, content security, and VPN and automation. The CCNP security pathway focuses on mastering security core technologies and specialist concentrations. Required core 350 to 701 SCOR covers implementing and operating Cisco security core technologies. Concentration options dive into firepower, ISE, VPNs, and security automation. Labs and skills focus on NGFW policy, identity management, secure VPN deployment, threat detection, and security automation using Python. The CCNP Data Center Exam pathway requires the DCCOR core exam and 1 specialization, with an estimated 4 to 8 months preparation time. Concentration options include design, troubleshooting, ACI implementation, storage area networks, and data center automation. Key skills cover data center infrastructure, Cisco ACI and UCS compute, storage networking, and automation and orchestration. The core exam, DCCOR 350 to 601, covers network, compute, storage network, automation, and security. Concentration exams allow specialization in areas like design, troubleshooting, ACI implementation, storage area networks, or automation. Hands-on labs focus on configuring ACI, implementing VXLAN EVPN, SAN zoning, deploying UCS service profiles, and automating workflows using DCNM and Ansible. This prepares you for high-demand roles like data center network engineer. CCNP certification offers significant career progression. In India, salaries range from 10 to over 25 LPA, while the global average is $95,000 to over $130,000 United States dollars. CCNP certified professionals are well positioned for roles like Network Engineer L3 and Security Engineer, and lay the foundation to transition into architect roles, focusing on network programmability and business outcomes. The ultimate expert level goal is the CCIE Expert Certification. This requires passing a core exam and an 8-hour practical lab exam, which includes design and deploy, operate, and optimize modules. Lab domains cover complex infrastructure, SDN, automation, security, and optimization. CCIE certification offers top 1% value with high salary potential, from $150K to $220K globally. The Cisco certification pathway is ideal for final-year students, IT support, telecom and NOC professionals, and career shifters. The career progression timeline shows a path from entry-level student/IT support to CCIE/architect in approximately 18 to 24 months, with phases like CCNA, L1 NOC engineer, CCNP track, and L2 per leader 3 senior roles. The program provides a holistic skill set, focusing on technical mastery, tools, and soft skills. Technical areas include advanced addressing, switching and VLANs, routing protocols, wireless, modern architecture, and network security. You will also learn automation tools, traffic analysis, and essential soft skills like documentation and incident response. The training is delivered through a blended model combining the IBM BIT LMS portal with expert instructor-led sessions. You get 24/7 access to video lessons, labs, and digital badges. The curriculum features IIT Patna co-branding for academic credibility and comprehensive career support, including mock interviews and placement tie-ups. Build a professional portfolio through hands-on core projects like SOHO Secure Network Build and SIEM onboarding. Industry case studies cover scenarios like SD-WAN rollout and hybrid DC with Cisco ACI, using key technologies such as automation, identity, cloud, and analytics. When deciding between CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE, consider time, difficulty, cost, and career impact. CCNA is the foundation, taking 2 to 4 months and costing around $300 United States dollar. CCNP is for specialization, lasting 4 to 8 months and costing about $700 United States dollars. CCIE is the expert level, requiring 9 to 18 months of dedicated prep and approximately $2,000 United States dollar. The industry demand is strong, with over 12,500 jobs available in the India market and senior roles surging. Fastest-growing roles include Network Engineer, Security Engineer, and SD-WAN Specialist. Top hot skills for 2026 are SD-WAN, SASE, ISE, NAC, automation, and Zero Trust. The program offers key credentials to help you stand out. You will earn Cisco certification badges, verifiable digital credentials from the IBM Skills Network, and an academic association with IIT Patna. BIT provides local mentoring and dedicated placement support to launch your career. Our career and support ecosystem offers a comprehensive placement facilities and learning pathway. Placement support includes profile building, interview readiness, job drives, and access to an alumni network. The learning pathway progresses from enrollment and foundation through CCNA, internship, CCNP, L2 per leader 3 roles, and finally to CCIE expert specialization. We celebrate real career transitions and success stories from our alumni. Over 500 students are certified, with an 85% placement rate. Graduates have transitioned into roles like NOC Engineer L1 and Senior Network Engineer, often landing high salary packages and utilizing the practical hands-on lab experience. Ready to start your Cisco certification journey? For contact and admissions, you can call or WhatsApp us at the number provided or email us. Visit our website to apply online and download the brochure. We offer online pan-India and on-campus training with flexible weekend batches.